Previously on Caretaker series.
Wanyocha, this is for you. Mimi, this is for you too. We know you have spent money setting up your own party. There is no need for main party when all of us can come together and be one party and win base 10. We don't understand.
What do you not understand? This is where we belong. This is where we now belong. We have joined base 10's party.
Wanyocha, the reason that we are here is because last week we gave you money to join our party, which we agreed that you are going to join. But instead of you to join our party, you went and joined a base 10 party. So we want to know, that money we gave you, we want to know when and how you are going to refund us.
Mark, what nonsense are you talking? Why are you romancing with her? Refund what? We gave her that money to join our party. She must join our party. Why are you talking about refund? You talking about refund? What I want to agree? Let her join our party. Why are you romancing with her back? Why are you romancing with her?
Wanyocha, you have heard it. The money we gave you was for you to join our party. So let us not pretend as if we don't know what is happening. We have already paid you, we have paid you to join party. So we have started capturing list of party members. So you need to give us your own full name and permanent address so that we can include you.
With 3 passports. 3 passports.
Mark, why are you doing as if this is your first time in politics? Okay, even if it's Mr. Azu's first time, don't you know that there's no refund in political money?
Listen, Wanyocha, nobody's talking about refund here. What I'm saying is, you must surely join the party. What do you mean? I'm not even blind what Mark is saying about refund. You must surely join our party. It is by force. We gave you money, you can't get the money. I said they want to join the party. You must surely join the party.
See, they're even calling me Zoom meeting. Base 10 party, that is where I belong. Rubbish.
Ebere, do you know that you are my favorite friend in this compound? All these things they are doing, I am just saying, how are they doing all these things? And Ebere is here. You are the best person that I told you that it's Ebere. It's only Ebere that can agree to join the best party because Ebere has sense. She has sense. Ebere, look, what I'm going to do now is your own money. You know we get the money. Your own money is ready. So what we need now is for you to just bring your passport and give us your full name and permanent address so that we can list you in our party. Don't mind your sister. She does not know good thing. Who will see good thing and join the base 10 party? What is native sense? What is native sense that they are using? Sense that they don't have. They are saying it. Join our party.
No, I'm joining any party my sister is joining.
Our party. Mimi, what is it that base 10 gave you people that we cannot give you people?
Nothing.
Wait, Mimi, tell me the truth. Did the base 10 give you more money?
Nothing. I can't say anything.
Did the base 10 promise you anything?
If he promised me and so, why are you even asking me all these questions?
Look, anything that base 10 have given you, tell me. Me and Azu, we can give you a double. What is it that base 10 is giving you that we cannot give you?
There is nothing you can give me. I am a part of base 10's party. Base 10's party applying native sense, and that is final. No negotiation, no.
There is nothing that money cannot buy. There is nothing that money cannot buy. Tell me what it is. What will pay? What will pay? If it's money, tell me. Does base 10 have money more than our party? Tell me who will pay.
Mark, see, it's not about money this time. It's not about money. I am a part of base 10's party, and that is final. Don't even bring this thing to me again, I beg.
Have base 10 do juju? Mark, think. What is he doing? There is something this boy is doing. There is something this boy is doing. Hey, I thought this thing he's doing. How come I cannot think? Mimi, did they promise your assistant caretaker?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I heard there is vacancy in this compound. Please, I want to rent an apartment.
Yes, there's vacancy. Let me call the caretaker for you. Basten! Caretaker!
This one you are calling me. I hope all is well.
All is well. Yes, he says he's looking for an apartment.
Young man. You are looking for an apartment?
Yes, I'm looking for an apartment.
You are the right place.
No problem.
Yeah, you are the right place. You see, I have a very good apartment that suits your personality. See, let me give you these tips for free. You see, this compound you have come to is a very peaceful and loving compound. See, here we live like brothers and sisters. And here we have 24/7 security. We have security dogs, so be rest assured that your security is guaranteed. You understand me? There's no need to be worked up over your security. But you see, before I go to show you this apartment, you have to pay me the caretaker fee. Then when you see the apartment and you like it, I will now send to the landlord who you pay the house rent to. But first thing first, you have to pay me the caretaker's fee. Then so we can start from there.
Pay who? Pay who? Which caretaker? You want to scam person? You people are here, you allow him. He's talking about caretakers. Yeah, are you the caretaker?
Stop that rubbish. Which one is I want to scam somebody? I'm one of the latest caretaker emeritus. I'm the latest caretaker emeritus, so I deserve to collect the caretaker fee. Yes.
Am I not also a caretaker emeritus? If you are going by that, I'm a caretaker emeritus.
If it's like that now, I'm also a caretaker emeritus now.
Basten, I'm the caretaker. Look, I am the caretaker.
I am the caretaker.
I am the caretaker.
I am the caretaker.
It's me.
It's me that is the caretaker.
I am the caretaker.
I am the caretaker.
Don't listen to him.
This is a scam man.
My blood brother. Come and listen to what this idiot is saying.
Why are you shouting this all afternoon?
Look at my blood brother. Sorry, I woke him from sleep. Look at this idiot. This man came here. He's looking for house. Instead of this idiot to tell this man that he should come to caretaker, he now said that he's a caretaker. They should pay him caretaker fee.
Wait. Basten, did you tell him you are the caretaker?
Yes.
You are very stupid for saying that nonsense. Who made you caretaker? Who made you caretaker? Listen, my brother, let me tell you. There's nobody that's caretaker in this compound. If there's anybody you should pay any money to, you should be Mark. Mark is your 30th caretaker in this compound.
What rubbish are you even saying? Can you hear yourself? If anyone you want to pay any money to, it should be Mark. What rubbish are you saying? Am I not the latest and caretaker emeritus in this compound? And I deserve to collect what is rightfully mine. Stop saying that rubbish. If you don't know the truth, you close your mouth. People that know the truth are saying it. Am I not the caretaker?
You are the caretaker.
Look at rubbish.
Am I not the caretaker?
You are your 30th caretaker.
I'm the caretaker. Very stupid. Calm down. Why you do that?
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. The die is cast. Last time, I told you that election of caretakership in this compound will be done by a competent electoral body. And today, I am here with members of the electoral body. I have here Julia and Uche. Now, I told you to form your parties. Has that been done?
Yes, sir, it has been done.
Okay.
We have the Basten party, and it consists of Ebere, me, Wanyocha, and Basten as the flag bearer.
Is there any other party?
Sir, and we have Azu party, and it consists of me and Azu. Azu is a flag bearer.
Okay, Azu is the flag bearer. That means you have two parties. All right. That is wonderful. You see, there is something I want you to understand in this election. This election is very, very crucial. And I want each and every one of you to take it serious. Whoever that wins in this election will become the caretaker of not only this compound, he will become the caretaker of all the compounds that I have in Nigeria. In Lagos, in Abuja, in Kano, in Kaduna, in Owerri, in River State here, and other states. That person will become the national caretaker. In fact, I have already informed all of them about this election. I will forward you the list of my compounds in all the states of Nigeria so that you are free to go and do your campaign. You are hereby authorized to start your campaign immediately.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Does it mean all the people in your compound will be part of the voting?
Yes. Not only the people in this compound, all my tenants in all the compounds that I own nationwide. And so, for that, let the campaign begin.
Best party.
We are applying native sense.
Best party.
We are applying native sense. Azu Action Party.
We shall power rise!
Azu Action Party.
We shall power rise! Mark, you heard what the landlord said. I never knew this campaign would go around other compounds. I was thinking it's going to end here. How do we raise money? I don't have 1 naira. 50 kobe in my account, I don't have. The little money we managed to raise, I don't know how you misuse that money. Look at everybody gave money. None of them is in our party. The only hope we have is to go and convince those people in the other compound of the landlord to vote for us. How do we do it? There's no fund.
Look, Mr. Azu. Me, I know what is happening in this compound. This thing you're saying is true. We need fund. Because Besten, I think Besten is bribing all these people. He has more money. I overheard him the other day. He was telling his lawyer that they should borrow. Something about borrowing money. They are borrow money. That's why they are sharing money up and down. You think Mimi and Wanyocha? You think he is come and join my party? Come and join that they went and joined his bribe. He has bribed everybody. So I think we need more money. We need more money.
See, on that note, I don't know if you have a contact to World Bank. Or even the EFCC. I had, they just nominated the new EFCC boss. And he's even a young man. And he's so generous. If we can write to him to raise up funds from the money they are seizing from people, let us use it and run our campaign. Maybe after we win the election, we can now find a way and pay back.
You want us to go and borrow money from EFCC?
Or World Bank?
No, leave World Bank. It's too far from us. EFCC, let me ask you something. Have you ever in your life heard that EFCC gave money out to use and do something? All the money that they are seizing money, collecting from Yahoo boys, collecting from government officials. Have you ever heard them that they carry the money and give it back to government? So why do you think they will borrow you money? You think EFCC is collecting money and giving? So EFCC will now collect money from people and carry it and give to government. Where have you heard that one happen before? EFCC does not give back money. Any money that EFCC collects from anybody, that money is their own. You say they have a new boss. Who employed the new boss?
Mr. President.
Who employed the old boss?
Mr. President.
So why do you think anything will be different? When an independent body that is supposed to be for capturing fraud people and people that are misbehaving in office, when is the president that is now going to singly appoint the person? Why do you think anything will change? So you mean that if I employ you now and I do something bad, you will not come and start probing me? No. That is why the president is appointing people by himself. Let me tell you, I think they say that the EFCC boss is probing Tinubu of Lagos. Probe what? How can you probe somebody that have money like that? Don't you know that Tinubu is the owner of Lagos?
How?
The road in Lagos, it's Tinubu that have it. Lekki Tollgate, who do you think have it?
I don't know.
It's Tinubu that have Lekki Tollgate. Don't you know that they half of Lagos is, I'm talking half. Tinubu have owned Lagos. He has even started going to Ibadan now. He's owning Ibadan. The way Wike is owning River State. Wike has started buying everything in River State. That is how they. What do you not think that something will happen? They will not be probing them. Don't you know that? Can you probe somebody that?
Mark, it's okay. I don't want us to discuss politics here. Let's talk how we can raise.
It's not politics. Is it not politics we are doing? We need to be discussing our senior brothers. They are the people that are doing the evil that we are copying.
It's all right. How do we raise money? Let's just talk how we can raise money. We need this money. How do we raise money?
Don't worry. That one I have visit. I have talked to my uncle. He will borrow us money. We will pay him back when we finish the campaign. So he has agreed to pay you to give you the money. So he said that you should bring your signature and your passport and your driver's license or any national ID that you have. He will give us money for your campaign. So tomorrow, we start our campaign. Let us go to Ikoku, that compound in Ikoku, and go and run campaign. We'll buy bags of rice, buy plenty things and give them and tell them to vote for you. Don't worry. Just give me these things. I will make money available.
Mark, God will bless you.
Don't worry. I'm doing this thing for you. You know you're my blood brother. I'm doing it for you.
Mark, I don't know that you're this good.
No, it's just people that are not seeing it. It's okay. We will win this campaign. We will win this election. We will win this election. Who is Besten? Is it not me that taught Besten what he's doing? We will win this election.
Nobody will stop us.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Look, we have come here today to come and let you people know that we love Ikoku compound. Ikoku compound is the best compound. Ikoku compound is the best compound. Ikoku compound is the best compound. Look, I want to let you people know that when my candidate finally becomes the national caretaker, no tenant is going to pay house rent for a whole 1 year.
Oh yeah.
And when he becomes the national caretaker, we are going to open borehole for the whole compound. And we are going to make sure that when my candidate becomes the national caretaker, the electricity bill of this compound will be paid by us. That is why we have brought this rice and pure water for you people, because our administration is committed to elevate poverty and hunger in the land. All our landlord compound will be enjoying food free of charge.
Mark, we are aware that you people are coming. We waited for you people to come.
Thank you.
But as you can see, we are not interested to vote for any of your candidates, so you people can leave.
We don't want you
At all.
people.
People should go.
We don't want you people. No!
It's okay. Please, I just want all of you to listen to me. It is not Mark that is contesting. It is me, Mr. Azu. I'm promising everybody that if I happen to win this election, I will not fail you. I promise to run a transparent government, which each and every one of you will benefit from. I will even initiate a program where I can carry your children abroad. They will study there.
We still don't want
We do not need you.
We don't want you. Why are you telling them to calm down? Why are you telling them? You go to this. You told me to talk to them. And you all, I know I want a space to get this and to get loan to make sure I make you happy. Look at the nonsense people are talking. You don't want me. Who else you want? Is it best that you want? Who else
Mark, what is the meaning of this nonsense? You can't. Jesus. Mark, why did you bring me here? I told you to settle with the people. Mark, what is the meaning of this embarrassment? Mark, have you seen what it cost me, Mark? Mark, what is this?
Thanks for watching that Mackenzie TV Vine. See you next Friday. Don't forget to come back here and watch Mr. Lawansi Family Show. Please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe.